Yes, definitely we have seen a lot of changes that's happened over the last 3 to 5 years. We see software being used in most applications, handheld devices, and people using software more and more. And availability of these software solutions is becoming a key criteria for business to grow and develop. The business are looking to protect all applications, be it physical or virtualized, and we are specialist in backing up virtualized applications worldwide. And what we do is we ensure that the virtualized backup is resilient, there's instant backup, and there is availability of these data all the time. Today, what we are seeing is, there are a lot of backup vendors, and typically the RTO, done by traditional backup vendors is, hours to days, and the current requirement is availability within minutes. So, Veeam is the only organization that's an RTO of less than 15 minutes time, and we make sure that we commit to the customer that availability is key aspect, and we commit on this delivery all the time in less than 15 minutes. What Veeam does is, we don't tell the customers to change their existing infrastructure. We ride on top of the existing infrastructure, and we let the customers use the current backup solution what they've got, and we go and do the resilient and the backup on availability front to the customers on the virtualized front. So we have a lot of cloud partners in India, and they offer Veeam solutions as managed service to their existing customers and potential new customers as well. The SMB market is a huge market, and we see customers in this space, very price sensitive. We provide our point blank solution to these customers. The Veeam availability solution for SMB is one of the best and fastest selling products worldwide, and we are seeing customers taking these solutions to the market in a faster way. ROI is different for different types of customers. For an SMB customer, ROI is very important because his backup requirement is not business critical. In such cases, we have smaller solutions where we just sell point blank solutions to the customer to do the basic backup. When you go to a large enterprise customers, availability of these applications is very very critical, and that's where we make sure that the backup window is less than 15 minutes to the customer, and it is resilient and consistent all the time. So that's where we show the ROI to the customer. Veeam is present in the India market from the last 5 years, and we have seen the technological change, that's paradigm shift that's happened in India. So with internet becoming cheaper, handheld devices becoming cheaper, smartphones are getting cheaper. Indians today have the population of India today have access to multiple applications on their smartphones, and they use banking applications, travel applications on a frequent basis, and availability of these solutions is becoming very very critical. So we are seeing customers losing a lot of revenue whenever there is a downtime of these applications. And the second thing what I would like to highlight is worldwide, most of the enterprise customers are moving from a physical infrastructure to a virtualized infrastructure. So in India, if you see a typical large enterprise organization, be it an IT, ITS vertical or a banking vertical, you can see at least 85 to 90% of their environment is on virtualized. We miss a specialist when it comes to virtualized backup. And we have been helping these customers across all verticals. So in India, we have got more than 750 customers across all verticals, in banking, in manufacturing, in retail, in government, in public sector, and we are seeing a growth of more than 50% year on year. See, channel is very, very important in a large country like India, and in for Veeam, channel partners are at most important. So we have three types of partners in India. So we have this tier one partners, tier two partners, and the ISV partners in India. When I talk about tier one partners, we have partners like Wipro, Dimension Data, HCL, reselling Veeam solutions to their existing customers and new potential customers, either as a subscription with their cloud services or as a software to the customers. For coverage, we have tier two partners in each tier two and tier three cities. So where we have a larger channel ecosystem, and this channel ecosystem is supported by two distributors in India. So we have got Redington and Avnet as our distributors in India, and we have dedicated resource and business managers supporting the tier two and tier three partners in India and the SAARC region. So channel is very very important for us, primarily to get a bigger market share, for better reach to the customers, and the most important thing is for support, because it's impossible for us to support all the customers. So in terms of support SLAs, we are totally dependent on the partners, and we make it sure that the partners front end all customer deals. So as a policy, Veeam doesn't take any direct orders from customers. It is through partners. We have a two-tier order processing system. So the partner takes the PO and then places it on the distributor, and the distributor then places the PO on Veeam. So that's the way it works.